Don Bassler here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily schedule social media posts with the Lead Connector mobile app from Go High Level. This could be a great side hustle for you in itself because you can make a handsome monthly profit simply by offering social media marketing to local businesses. Yep, now you can schedule and publish social media posts to multiple platforms all at the same time and do it while lounging on the beach like I am here now. Okay, so the first thing we'll want to do here is, of course, download the Lead Connector app from your favorite app store. Then just log into the Lead Connector mobile app. We want to click on the mobile menu at the top. This is called the hamburger menu. When you do this, the menu will present itself, of course, and you'll see the social planner line at the top. Click on that and you'll be taken to the social planner. Here, we're in the monthly view. Of course, you can easily choose weekly view or list view, depending on how granular you want to go into viewing. But at the top here, you'll see all the social accounts that have been connected to your platform profile. And if you see circular arrows inside of these round circles, it means you need to reconnect those particular accounts. Also, if you want to add an additional account while you're out and about, you can absolutely do that too. All you have to do is click the plus sign, then select the platform. So to add Instagram, let's say, you'll need to log into Facebook, follow the guided wizard from there. You'll be asked to grant Lead Connector access, so they have your permission to access your data, of course. And then, as I mentioned, if you need to reconnect an account, you'll see that little circular arrow here. Just click on that, and again, you'll have to log into that specific social media platform and follow the wizard from there. Let's go ahead and sign into LinkedIn. LinkedIn, get it connected here. And you can see that I've successfully logged in. So now you can close the browser and you'll see that LinkedIn account has been reconnected. Now the Social Planner on Lead Connector mobile app currently allows you to connect up to 6 different social media platforms: Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Google My Business, YouTube, and LinkedIn. So let's return to the monthly view where you'll see down here today that there is no post schedule. Let's say we get inspired and we want to create a new post on the go, like here at the beach. All we have to do is click that plus sign at the bottom right, and let's say we want to post to LinkedIn. Super simple, just select the account, scroll to the top, hit create, what's on your mind. This is a demo post. Perfect. Click on post options, and here you can add a follow-up comment. For example, your website URL, maybe a link to your free offer, whatever you want to post here, you can do that. Obviously, you can post any content that you feel worthy of adding to this post. So when people see your feed, there will always be a comment on that post, which is really nice. It kind of shows that you've got something going on there. It's not just a raw, naked post with no comment. Even though it's yours, it's still a plus to kind of prime the pump and have that comment already there. So let's hit apply at the top right. Of course, you can add media as well, so let's do that. You can snap a picture directly from your phone. You can also choose from gallery or choose from files. I'll go ahead and choose from gallery. I'll select this one here, then click on advanced settings where you can choose the category. What category you would like to post this post under. Here you can see a list of all the previous categories you've created. You can select either one, or you can easily create a new category right here if you need to do that. For this post, I'll just leave it as is. After that, you can choose the tags you want to associate to this post. Just like with categories, you can create a new tag on the fly or choose one that you've already created. Let's select online coaching, then click on save. Now I'll click post on the top right corner, and I'm presented with several options that I can select. You can post now, save for later, schedule the post, or schedule a recurring post. I'll schedule the post. Okay, I'll say today, and then say 6 p.m. I'll then hit schedule at the top right corner. Beauty. Now you can see the post shows up here in the list. It's super cool and flexible, and if you want to go back and edit the schedule, you can do that. Just click the 3 dots right here, click edit, then freely edit your post. Okay, for now I want to go back, click the 3 dots here. In addition to editing the post, you could also clone it. This is useful for allowing you to make a clone of the post and then scheduling it to another social platform, so to speak, as an example. It's super useful, and just know that you can do that. Lastly, you can simply choose to delete it. It's also worth noting that if you already have all your social accounts connected in the desktop version of Go High Level, those accounts will automatically show up here in the Lead Connector app as connected. So you can go into the desktop version, connect them, and they'll show up as connected here, but you can also do it in the Lead Connector app. Another cool feature is that you can simultaneously post to multiple social platforms at the same time. Super cool. I'll show you how to do that real quick here. Click the plus, then here I'll select 2 accounts. I'll scroll back to the top and hit create. And then here's this little toggle for customized post. When you turn this on, you'll see the little social icons that appear just below it. LinkedIn and Instagram in this case. Well, you can customize the content uniquely for each one, which is really awesome. So now let's go back to the scheduled post, and I'll go ahead and force it to post now. We'll click the 3 dots, then click edit. I'll click post at the top right corner and click post now. And now you can see that it's in progress. I'll go ahead and refresh, and now you can see it shows that it's published. Awesome. Okay, you see that little arrow here? You can actually click on that now since it's published, and it will forward you to the post in the specific platform. Okay? Muy fuerte, eh? I love this. This is how you can use the Lead Connector mobile app to schedule social media posts to all of your favorite social platforms while you're on the go. And hey, if you learned something from this video, be sure to like, share, and leave a comment or a question if you have one. I'm confident you'll use the crap out of this app and these features, and I'll see you in the next video.